I planted seed of the durian. Look. Actually grow. Snake plant. Pineapple plant. Look. Mulberry. Mulberry. Now I see on the garden. The garden. The garden on what's here. Wow. Nice tree. Now a bell pepper. Nice bell pepper. But no this mushroom and the bell pepper. Now you want see another durian. Look. This durian already grow. Now this durian. But here is the durian as one. Alright. And look, a long bean. Long bean. Now, but this is clear. Clear one. I fresh. Thank you for watching.